This lecture is about corporate event checklists, strategic framework for success. The contents will be introduction, landscape of corporate events, significance of checklists, enhancing communication and collaboration, customization, tailoring checklists, challenges, technology integration, case studies, future of corporate events checklists, and conclusion. Corporate events represent a complex tapestry of networking, brand representation, and strategic engagement. In the realm of event planning, the utilization of checklists emerges as a strategic framework akin to a roadmap guiding planners through the intricate journey of organizing and executing successful corporate events. This essay delves into the nuanced world of checklists for corporate events, exploring their significance, customization, and pivotal role in ensuring precision and professionalism. In the meticulous orchestration of corporate events, checklists emerge as indispensable tools, guiding event planners through the intricate process of ensuring precision, professionalism, and success. The initial movement in crafting checklists for corporate events involves a thorough understanding of the unique requirements inherent to business gatherings. Corporate events encompass a diverse range from conferences and seminars to product launches and shareholder meetings. The checklist serves as a tailored score capturing the specific elements essential for achieving the goals of each event. Landscape of corporate events. Corporate events, ranging from conferences and seminars to product launches and business galas, serve as crucial platforms for networking, knowledge dissemination, and brand building. The multifaceted nature of these gatherings demands meticulous planning and execution to achieve their objectives effectively. Enter the corporate event checklist, a tool meticulously designed to address the specific nuances and challenges inherent in such professional gatherings. Risk management forms a crucial note in the checklist composition for corporate events. Anticipating potential challenges such as technical glitches, security concerns, or last-minute changes in schedules allows event planners to incorporate contingency plans into the checklist. This proactive approach ensures that disruptions are minimized and the corporate event maintains a seamless and polished execution, reflecting positively on the organization's image. The communication movement involves tailoring the checklists to facilitate effective communication within the corporate event planning team. Clear channels for internal communication, delineating responsibilities and timelines are vital for ensuring that every team member is aligned with the overarching goals. Regular check-ins using the checklist as a reference point contribute to a collaborative environment where everyone is aware of their role in the success of the corporate event. Flexibility is a harmonious note in the checklist symphony for corporate events. Corporate landscapes are dynamic, and unforeseen changes are not uncommon. Whether it's a shift in the agenda, unexpected VIP attendees, or alterations in the event's scope, a flexible checklist allows event planners to adapt swiftly. This adaptability ensures that the corporate event remains agile and responsive to evolving circumstances, maintaining its high standards of professionalism. Significance of checklists. In corporate event planning, precision and attention to detail, corporate events hinge on precision and attention to detail. Every aspect from venue selection and logistics to guest management and audiovisual setup requires meticulous consideration. Checklists act as guardians of precision, ensuring that no detail is overlooked and every element aligns with the professionalism expected in corporate settings. These gatherings often involve a multitude of logistic considerations, including venue selection, audiovisual requirements, and catering arrangements. A comprehensive checklist breaks down these logistical elements into Manageable tasks, facilitating a systematic approach. It ensures that the venue is equipped with the necessary technology, catering arrangement aligns with dietary preferences, and all audiovisual components are thoroughly tested. The meticulous attention to logistics enhances the overall efficiency and professionalism of the corporate event. Streamlining the planning process. The complexity of corporate events can be overwhelming without a systematic approach. Checklists streamline the planning process, breaking it into manageable tasks. Planners can navigate through each stage with clarity, ensuring a structured and efficient workflow that minimizes the risks of oversights. Industry compliance forms an additional movement in tailoring checklists for corporate events. Different sectors may have specific regulations and standards that must be adhered to during gatherings. A checklist designed for a healthcare industry conference, for example, would need to consider compliance with medical regulations and privacy protocols. Ensuring that the checklist aligns with the industry-specific requirements is imperative for legal and reputational integrity. Enhancing communication and collaboration. Corporate events involve collaboration among various stakeholders: event planners, vendors, venue staff, and participants. Checklists become a shared language, enhancing communication. Everyone involved can understand the plan, fostering effective collaboration that is crucial for the success of these high-stakes gatherings. Communication within the corporate event planning team is a harmonious movement in the checklist composition. A well-organized checklist facilitates clear and transparent communication among team members. It delineates responsibilities, timelines, and expectations, fostering a collaborative environment. Regular check-ins using the checklist as a reference point create a shared understanding where every team member is aligned with the overarching goals. This streamlined communication ensures a cohesive and coordinated effort towards the success of the corporate event. Customization, tailoring checklists. Corporate events span a spectrum of purposes, from business conferences with a focus on knowledge exchange to grand product launches designed for brand exposure. The checklist versatility shines as it can be tailored to suit the specific objectives and nature of each event type within the corporate landscape. Precision for business conferences. In the context of business conferences, precision takes center stage. Checklists can be customized to emphasize scheduling, speaker coordination, and attendee engagement. The systematic approach ensures that conferences unfold seamlessly, leaving a lasting positive impression on participants. Brand representation in product launches. Product launches, on the other hand, demand a focus on brand representation. Checklists can be adapted to highlight elements such as product displays, branding materials, and media interactions. This customization ensures that the brand message is conveyed effectively to the target audience. Networking and elegance in business galas. For business galas where networking and elegance are paramount, checklists can be tailored to address guest management, venue aesthetics, and entertainment coordination. The goal is to create an atmosphere that reflects corporate sophistication while fostering meaningful connections among attendees. Challenges in corporate event checklists. The initial movement in understanding the challenges in corporate event checklists involves recognizing the dynamic and multifaceted nature of corporate gatherings. From conferences and product launches to seminars and shareholder meetings, each event type brings its unique set of complexities and demands, making checklist management a delicate balancing act. Corporate events come with inherent risks, such as technical glitches, last-minute changes, or unexpected issues. Checklists serve as proactive tool for risk mitigation, allowing planners to identify potential challenges and establish contingency plans to maintain event integrity. Time management is a critical factor in the success of corporate events. Checklists assist in optimizing time allocation, ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently within specified timelines. This strategic approach contributes to the overall success of the event. Budgetary considerations. Corporate event planning involves careful budget management. Checklists help planners allocate resources judiciously, ensuring that every aspect aligns with the budget constraints. The checklist becomes a financial roadmap, preventing overspending and maximizing the return on investment. Industry compliance forms an additional movement in the challenges of corporate event checklists. Different sectors may have specific regulations and standards that must be adhered to during gatherings. Crafting a checklist that aligns with industry-specific requirements without becoming overly cumbersome is a challenge. Event planners must stay abreast of evolving regulations and ensure that checklists are updated accordingly to maintain compliance. Corporate events often involve a multitude of logistical considerations, from venue selection and audiovisual requirements to transportation and catering logistics. Managing these elements in a checklist requires thorough attention to detail, and any oversight in this intricate puzzle can lead to disruptions during the event. Striking the right balance between comprehensive detail and practicality is a constant challenge for event planners. Technology integration for checklists. In the modern era, corporate event checklists benefit from digital tools and automation. Planners can leverage project management software and event planning platforms to create dynamic and interactive checklists. Automation streamlines tasks, allowing for real-time updates and collaborative planning among team members. Data analytics for optimization. Data analytics further enhance the utility of corporate event checklists. Planners can analyze past events' performance metrics to optimize checklists for future gatherings. This data-driven approach contributes to continuous improvement, ensuring that checklists evolve in tandem with the evolving needs of corporate events. Audiovisual setup. A crucial aspect of technology integration is the audio-visual setup. The checklist should encompass requirements for state-of-the-art sound systems, high-definition displays, and advanced projection capabilities. Testing and calibrating these components in advance ensures a seamless and immersive experience for attendees during presentations, speeches, and multimedia elements. Event app and registration. Technology can streamline the registration process and enhance attendee engagement. A comprehensive checklist should cover the implementation of user-friendly event app that facilitates seamless registration, provides real-time updates, and encourages networking among participants. Integration with registration systems ensures a smooth onboarding process for attendees. Cybersecurity measures. Given the increasing reliance on technology, cybersecurity is a critical consideration. A comprehensive checklist must incorporate measures to safeguard sensitive data, ensure secure transactions, and protect the event from potential cyber threats. This includes implementing robust encryption protocols and educating staff on cybersecurity best practices. In the ever-evolving landscape of corporate events, technology integration has become synonymous with success. A meticulously crafted checklist serves as a roadmap, guiding event planners through the intricate process of leveraging technology for optimal results. By addressing infrastructure, audiovisual elements, event apps, virtual components, interactive technologies, and cybersecurity, this checklist ensures that technology becomes an enabler rather than a hindrance, contributing to the seamless execution of corporate events in the digital age. Case studies. Realizing success through corporate event checklists. Case study 1. International Business Conference. In an international business conference, a well-crafted checklist ensured seamless coordination of speakers, technical aspects, and participant engagement. The precision of the checklist contributed to a successful event, garnering positive feedback from both attendees and sponsors. Case study 2. Product launch. A product launch extravaganza showcased the adaptability of checklists in brand representation. The checklist was tailored to highlight visual elements, media interactions, and product displays, resulting in a memorable launch that generated significant media coverage and consumer interest. Case study 3. Annual Business Gala. An annual business gala emphasized the elegance and networking aspects through a customized checklist. Guest management, venue aesthetics, and entertainment coordination were meticulously planned, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and facilitating meaningful connections among attendees. The success of the gala was evident in positive attendee feedback, increased participation, and strengthened corporate relationships. Case studies illuminate the significance of corporate event checklists as essential instruments in realizing success. Whether orchestrating industry conferences, product launches, shareholder meetings, team building retreats, or award ceremonies, organizations have consistently achieved positive outcomes by strategically leveraging checklists. The comprehensive and tailored nature of these checklists ensures that no detail is overlooked, contributing to the seamless execution of events that leave a lasting impact. As organizations continue to navigate the intricate landscape of corporate events, these case studies serve as valuable lessons on how a well-structured checklist is a key driver of success in the dynamic world of event planning. The future of corporate event checklists. Artificial intelligence and automation are likely to play a pivotal role, streamlining the checklist creation process and enhancing real-time collaboration among event planning teams. Evolving trends. The landscape of corporate events is dynamic, with emerging trends shaping the expectations and preferences of participants. Corporate event checklists must evolve to incorporate these trends, be it virtual event components, hybrid formats, or innovative engagement strategies. The adaptability of checklists ensures that they remain relevant and effective in the ever-changing corporate event landscape. As corporate events become more intricate and dynamic, checklists need to evolve accordingly. The future holds the promise of smart checklists that can dynamically adjust based on real-time data, unforeseen changes, and the unique requirements of each event. This adaptability ensures that checklists remain relevant and effective in navigating the complexities of modern corporate gatherings. Sustainability integration. Sustainability is gaining prominence in corporate practices, and events are no exception. Future corporate event checklists are likely to integrate sustainability considerations, addressing factors like eco-friendly venues, reduced carbon footprints, and waste management. This evolution aligns with corporate responsibility initiatives and reflects an awareness of environmental impacts. Sustainability is emerging as a crucial node in the future of corporate events checklists. Organizations are increasingly prioritizing eco-friendly practices, and checklists will reflect this commitment. Future checklists may include sustainability assessments, ensuring that event planners consider environmentally conscious options for logistics, materials, and waste management. This sustainability focus aligns with the growing corporate responsibility towards minimizing the environmental impact of events. Enhanced interactivity. The future of corporate event checklists may witness enhanced interactivity through augmented reality or virtual reality. These technologies can be integrated into checklists to provide immersive experiences for planners and participants alike. This innovative approach adds a layer of engagement and sophistication to the event planning process. Inclusivity and diversity will form another integral movement in the future of corporate events checklists. As organizations strive for more inclusive events that cater to diverse audiences, checklists will need to encompass considerations related to accessibility, cultural sensitivity, and representation. Future checklists may include items addressing diversity in speakers, accommodation for various dietary preferences, and accessibility features to ensure that events are welcoming and accommodating to all attendees. Security considerations will become a more prominent note in the future of corporate event checklists. With the increasing importance of cybersecurity and the need for secure event environments, checklists may include items related to data protection, secure communication channels, and emergency response plans. Event planners will need to prioritize the security of both physical and digital aspects of corporate events. Conclusion. Harnessing the power of corporate event checklists. In conclusion, corporate event checklists stand as indispensable tools strategically guiding planners through the multifaceted journey of organizing and executing successful corporate events. Their significance lies in precision, attention to detail, and streamlining the planning process. Customization ensures that checklists align with the diverse objectives of business conferences, product launches, and business galas. From the foundational elements of infrastructure readiness to the dynamic realms of virtual participation and interactive technologies, this checklist ensures that technology becomes an empowering ally rather than a stumbling block. In embracing these considerations, event planners pave the way for seamless execution, heightened participant engagement, and ultimately the success of corporate events in the digital age. As technology continues to evolve, a well thought out checklist remains the cornerstone, adapting and guiding the way towards innovative and impactful corporate experiences. The challenges inherent in corporate event planning, from risk mitigation to time and budget management, find solutions in the structured approach offered by checklists. The integration of technology, including the digital tools, automation, and data analytics, further enhance the effectiveness of these planning frameworks. Real-world case studies underscore the tangible impact of well-designed checklists on the success of diverse corporate events. They showcase how checklists contribute to seamless coordination, brand representation, and the creation of memorable experiences.